Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome to this video. This is Ting. Today we are going to talk about grammar 是 and 很. Before I start, I'm going to tell a story. Once, I asked a student, 你今天好吗? How are you today? And I got the answer, 我是好的. That's the reason that I decided to record this video. My student was going to say, I'm good. But what's wrong with 我是好的? 我是好的 actually matches nothing in Chinese. If we say it to a Chinese, people would be confused. What are you going to say? So, how to say I'm good? We say 我很好. 我很好. That's the way we say. Here comes another question. How to say she is pretty. She is tall. I'm hungry. Probably you have guessed. She is pretty. 她很漂亮. 她很漂亮. She is tall. 她很高. 她很高. I'm hungry. 我很饿. 我很饿. Now maybe you will ask when to use 是. Here you go. She is a teacher. 她是一位老师. 她是一位老师. He is Chinese. 他是中国人. 他是中国人. Let's put them all together. If it is an adjective or description, like good, fine, slim, we use 很. If it is a noun, like man, student, scientist, we use 是. After my explanation, are they clear for you? Thank you for watching today's video. If you have more questions, please leave the comments below. I will try my best to help you. I will see you next time. 再见.